Hey guys, welcome to this funny video. I am telling this funny video because I have many history with this watch. I finally got the solution and let me share it with you. So I use this tissue paper because of this front side. So I put the front side here and then put the pressure on the back side so that due to the soft paper my glass is completely safe. And then I use this tape paper because first of all you need to fix the cutting edge with this fin equally, and then first try to fix this with your hand. And sometimes it might happen that when you uh, fix this and then put it here, and then when you try to press, and then this things is again slip from the correct exact position. So even I had this I had this kind of situation for several times. So what I did, first I fixed this by hand, this side, and this side was open, and so I just use my finger to press to keep the same position. And then see, I use the tape, and then I bind it for several times and roll it and equally on both sides. But you have to make sure that this pin and this edge is equally keeping the same position. So when you use the rubber when you use the tape, then there is no way to slip it from the position. So, and after that you just need to keep it here and use your metal roller, and you have to just use it two ways. You can put pressure like this, and also you can use the equal pressure by pressing both sides. And this is the trick, basically it works for me. So you see, there is uh, no open space. But yeah, see, due to my failing steps, I already broke my rubber that was inside of the watch. But the watch is fine, I can yeah, see, it's already running. So I almost broke my teeth. So I think you can follow my steps. You will find lots of video, but this will really help you to fix the back cover so that it will not slip from its position. So this is really, I mean, it could be very easy, but this time I don't know why it takes long. It was really hard for me to fix it for this watch, but I am happy now that finally it fixed. So this is the topic, and the, yeah, funny things that I broke my almost I broke my teeth. That's it.